Hello, hello. It's that time of week again, my lingerie and swimwear lovers. Today I am going to be introducing you to, I'm so excited. I love this one. I really, really love it. The new collections from Maryan Mehlhorn. So, this is a German brand. They are swim, 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 which is always a good sign. And I just want to show you these because I absolutely love them, and I hope you will too. So the first one, now for those that know me and pop in now and again, it won't be a surprise to see something slightly tropical. I cannot resist palm leaves, birds of paradise, flamingos, pineapples, stick it on swimwear, and I'm all over it. But this, I feel, is quite a sophisticated take on tropical. So you have a pineapple print. Sorry, my dog's making weird noises. God love his little cotton socks. With this beautiful green foliage and a sort of yellowy, greeny sort of tone to it. And then we've got these nice warm browns in there as well. Maryan Mehlhorn is fantastic because one, the fabrics are excellent, design's beautiful. And I do bang on a lot about fit, but I think it's not more important than when you're wearing underwear, but people see this. So you have to feel good, you know, and thinking that you're sort of fidgeting about and readjusting all the time, you know, it doesn't make you feel great. But once these babies are on, you're going to feel amazing. So this is what we call, they call it a plunge. It's got foam in the cup. Now, if you're worried about having soggy boobs because you like to go swimming, these use really good quality foam that is designed for drying very quickly. I've worn these. I like going in the pool and the sea, and they don't feel, you know, you're not sat there for like an hour going, oh, it just feels clammy and nasty. This has a very flattering pleat on it, nice and look front. We have these beautiful briefs which have a little bit of ruching, so just gives a little bit of disguising any little dummy bits that we don't want other people to see. Gorgeous hardware, nice coverage over the bum, and this goes up to a D cup. Ooh, because I went all in because I really loved it. So you have this style. So there's no underwires in this. It's like just a bit of soft foam in there, and then you have this band here, which is where you're getting the support from. And I really like this wooden detail here. Over the shoulders, adjustable straps, beautiful hardware. Is this C&D only? I mean, one of the a lot of things don't always have the range of sizes I'd like to be able to offer. But this is a very cute bikini. You can mix and match bottoms. So if you love this top but you don't like these bottoms, you can choose the wider style, or you've got the ties there. Lovely, love it, love it, love it. If you are looking for something a bit more classic lines, you have your classic soft, no foam underwire. And as you can see, that detail there, it's just a little bit funky and cool. They're all lined, you know, you're not going to worry about this looking thin or skimpy when you've got it on. And you can see this clever little bit here. There is just a little sort of side panel there. That's where you're getting a little bit of extra support in them. If you are like me and you're a one-piece wonder, there are two styles. We have this gorgeous over the shoulder plunging number. You can see you've got a little bit of hardware there. And that little plunge there just makes it look a little bit more revealing, but not, because you're all sort of beautifully contained. You have a foam cup, gorgeous shape back, fits beautifully around the bum, very stylish, I feel. If you like, because that one goes C-cuppy, it's just sort of one size, you know, it's not one of the cup-sized ones. If you are blessed with a more ample bosom, this is for you. So you have under here, and it's a bit weird because you have an underwire that runs to about here. So that's going to give you some lift. And then this actually is firm. So what that's doing is holding you firmly here as well. So you don't have to worry about sort of spilling forwards in it. You've got this gorgeous little bit of detailing with the straps here. And this is one that goes up to an E cup, and we've got this up to a size 16. They are really nice, they are generous, and they're quite good for body length. One of the most common things that we hear is things aren't long enough in the body, but this should be, and you will get that from, you know, the Northern European brands like Germany, Belgium, Holland, etc., because they're just generally taller people. Now, I've been saving this, and it's a goodie. Look at this. This is the tunic. I'm going to lift that up so you can see the whole thing. So this beautiful piece is got a nice, it's got quite a broad weave. It's got a lovely feel. It's going to be wonderfully cool. Where if you go anywhere hot, it feels like linen, but it's not going to crease like linen. So you can pull that out of your bag. I mean, wear it as a dress. You can see with a little pair of tan sandals or gold sandals, and you are ready to hit the bar or the restaurant or somewhere and look absolutely fabulous. And this is where you can see that wonderful print all over it. And you've got that lovely detailing around here and on the splits at the side there. You can see that really gorgeous stuff. If that's a little bit patterny for you, I can't imagine why it would be. It's, I mean, who could have too many bindables? We have that other collection, which is called Vivace. Smaller, not so many pieces, but I think it's really, it really stands out. Well, it's green, it's quite bright, so it does stand out. But this bikini top is one of the best shaped bikini tops I've ever seen on anyone. It's got a sort of foam cup in it, but it's this line here is so flattering. You know, you've got a bit of width at the side. You're gonna get coverage without feeling frumpy. Adjustable straps, and then you've got these gorgeous adjustable briefs, so they could be made wider or narrower, and then you could always fold this up if you would like something a little bit higher on the waist. And what you really can't see unless you're sort of in real life is the design on this. It looks from a distance gold, but it actually has flecks of red, shiny red in it, which gives it a bit more warmth and depth than a sort of brash, bright gold. I love it. There is also another style of bikini bottoms, and this is where I can actually show you. Can you see that? I don't know if you can, my darling. It has got little red flecks in it. A little bit narrower. Lovely. Just as an aside, the sizing on this stuff, bizarrely, the green collection, Vivace that I'm talking about now, very true to size. If you like the one with the pineapples, And your in-between sizes, always go to the lower size of that. And now you have this gorgeous one piece. Look at it. Very elegant, very stylish. Halter neck, scoop back. You can just see this where it's somewhere hot and sunny. It's just going to look absolutely stunning. So these are sort of my capsule collection of Maryan Mehlhorn. This is very much a one and done. So if you've come in and you've tried it and you've liked it, we've only got the stock that we have. And unfortunately, we can't order any more of it. They don't make loads of sort of back stock for us to get, which is a shame. But yes, so if you like it, come in and try it on. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting and you enjoyed those. If you have any questions, as always, please do ask away.